Okay, on the next section, evaluating logarithms, on number 15, you have log base 9 of 81, so set that equal to x, and let's change it from a logarithm into an exponential function. So that'll be 9 to the x is equal to 81. In order to solve an exponential function, you have to make these into same base. So I know that 81 is 9 times 9. Once you have the same base, you can drop the base and you'll have x equals 2 as your solution. So you're able to solve that without the use of a calculator. Number 16, set that equal to x and loop around. You'll have 81 to the x is equal to 3. We can change 81 into a base 3. 3 to the 4th power is 81, but don't forget to multiply it to the exponent that's already there. So now you have 3 equals 3 as your base. When that happens, you can drop your base and set your exponents equal to one another. If you have just plain base 3, its exponent is 1. And now you can divide both sides by 4 to get x equals 1/4. On this last one, log base 5 of 1/25, okay, set it equal to x and loop around. 5 to the x equals 1/25. Well, it's not going to do you any good in the denominator. So we're going to bring it to the numerator, and when we do, our exponent changes from +1 to -1. So we have 5 to the x is equal to, we're going to change 25 into base 5. 5 to the 2nd power, and then multiply it to the -1 that's already there. Since you have base 5s, you can do x equals -2, and that's your solution. On this number 18, loop it around. 6 to the x equals 1. The only thing, you're not going to be able to change these into the same base. But one thing that we do know from the properties of exponents, if you have 6 to the 0 power, your answer is going to be 1 every time. So that tells me here that x is equal to 0. On 19 through 22, since you can't make these into the same base, if you set it equal to x and you loop around, this will be 10 to the x equals 63. Well, that's not physically possible, okay? So we can't make them into a same base. So this is where you can use your calculator. So if you use the change of base formula, you'll have the log of 63 over the log of 10. And that'll give you your 4 decimal places right there. Okay, on number 20, if you do change a base, you'll have the log of 95 over the log of 7. On this one, you'll have the log of 78, over the log of 2. And on this one, since this is the natural log of 42, just use the natural log of 42 button. And you got it.